I thought I'd take this opportunity just to show you a few little other things I do, give you an idea of who I am and some of the other projects I'm going to be attempting a bit later on, and well, see some of the things that I'm going to be doing in the near future, and they're quite different to what I'm doing at the moment. So we'll have a little look around and I'll show you what's what. In this room here I got those big barrels you see there. They're for a biogas project I'm planning. Sort of links in with the solar panels, I suppose, that sort of eco thing. Just generally lots of junk in here. If you just scan across there, I've got loads and loads of car parts, piles of bits and bobs, and I'm rebuilding all the suspension work on my car. So I thought why not make a video of that as well. So I've already done all the brakes and bits and bobs, so just upgrading all the suspension on there. I could show you what that. This is the car. I'm going to be doing a lot of the suspension work and just modifying it a bit, just a Toyota Celica. So that's where all those. So a big part of my work as well is just generally house refurbishment. So all these things you see in these rooms here, all this place will be refurbished, and here's where you've been seeing most of my project works happening. So I've got the luxury of having an empty house to do these little projects in. So plumbing, as you probably figured out, is one of my things. So be plumbing in an all new kitchen and bathroom here. So another thing, and the summer house. Something else I enjoy doing is building structures such as these. So I'll give you a little look inside, just give you an idea of the sort of thing I do. Let's put some light on the matter here. So this is what they look like inside, and we've got underfloor heating, internet, computers, phone. It's all here, all your surround sound and fridge, and nice little thing just at the back of the garden. So another little project I thought I might show you is next to this. I'm going to be building a workshop which is just around the corner. It'll be just next to it, just here. So where all those logs are there, I'm going to build myself a nice little workshop. So could do a little video on that as well. And they're just a few of the little things we can look forward to in the future. I hope